Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter Wi-Fi pairing mode on Yardforce X50i. To do this, first we'll need to click on the stop button right here. This should release the hatch, and inside we'll need to unlock the panel by typing in the pin. You can see all of the pin numbers in the bottom right corner of almost each button. And default pin, the factory one, is 4 times 0, so we need to press on 4H 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's the Wi-Fi sign. Click and hold it for 5 seconds until you hear the beep sound. And now we're in the Wi-Fi pairing mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.